Hello everyone, I'm just going to show you a couple of ways on how to download work on DB Primary from a tablet. I'm on my homepage, a child's homepage. As you can see on things to do, there's four different folders here. If you want to see the title of the folders, you can just hold it down and it'll come up. So you've got Zara Today's Maths Challenge Week 3. We've got Learning Journey Project, Number Bonds to 10, and Number Bonds 10 is the work I want to complete today. I'm going to open up the folder and you'll be able to see the Word document that's attached. I'm then going to open up the Word document. As you can see, it gives me the option to cancel or download. I'm going to download it and then I'm going to open it up. Now it will open up as a Word document with your task. At the top it says to edit and save a Microsoft 365 subscription is required. I'm not going to subscribe, okay, because that requires me to pay. So if that comes up for you and you can't save the document, you can have it in front of you and you can see that you've got your task here. Okay, so I'm just going to do a quick example. What I've already done is on a sheet of paper, I've worked out my answers here. So if I go back in to my home page at the bottom, I'm just going to click here and then there is my DB page where I've just opened up the work. If I go to upload, and then it will give me three options. It says camera, camcorder and files. If I go into camera, and then with my camera, I'm just going to take a picture of the work and then it will automatically begin to upload. Okay. And as you can see that it's uploading and it has now uploaded. So your work has been uploaded and your teacher will see that it has been completed. Another option, okay, if you go into your homepage at the top, you can see the tabs here. You've got lots of different tabs. If you go into the My Work tab, and then if you go into New, and it'll give you a few options. If you go into Document, okay, you can title your document. So you can say, let's go to Number Bonds. You can write Number Bonds to 10. Okay, and then if you start typing up your work, so again, if I go back to my Word document, I've still got open here. I can see that the first question is 5, add something equals 10. And then in my document here, I'm going to write number 1, 5, add 5 equals 10. Now, once I have finished my work here, I go to save, and then this document is going to be in your folder. It will give you the option to publish to. If I click on publish to, and if I click on my class, 3 Maple, that has been published to your teacher, and as you can hear, okay, I have received a notification saying that the child has published work. So that is also another way of publishing work. I hope this helps. If you have any more questions, please ask your class teachers. Thank you.